my presentation is on Rosalind Franklin. Life History Part 1. So she was born into a very affluent Jewish family. She grew up pre-World War II, and she displayed exceptional intelligence from early childhood. She decided to become a scientist very early at only age 15. She earned a She graduated from Newnham College in 1941, and she got a doctorate in physical chemistry from Cambridge University in 1945. After that, she spent 3 years in Paris studying X-ray diffraction. Okay. So, again, also she worked as a research associate at King's College, and her research consisted of determining the structure of DNA. So this research was going on from 1951 to 1953, and during that time she took the famous photograph entitled Photo 51, which I will show you later. She also published several articles on coals and carbons, DNA, and even viruses. Unfortunately, she died of ovarian cancer. This is likely because of the unsafe working environment she had when she was doing her research. Major contribution to science. So again, she published papers on coals and charcoals, which aided in the development of very strong carbon fibers. And her main contribution to science was the discovery of the double helix structure of DNA. The way she did this was she used X-ray crystallography to get these very clear, high-resolution photos of crystallized DNA fibers. So this is photo 51. This photograph, which looks kind of like an X, showed that DNA was actually in the shape of a helix. Franklin was actually the first to discover that DNA was a helical molecule, and she was the first to extract very fine DNA fibers and work with them. And she also had a high level of integrity, because she would only publish her work when she felt she had all the data and evidence to support her theory. However, there was some controversy around the discovery of what DNA looked like, because again, Rosalind Franklin was a woman, so there could have been some sexism, because there was at the time Rosalind was in school, it was inappropriate for a woman to have any education at the college level or work with men in the college, which she did. She was partnered with this man called Maurice Wilkins, who was in close relation with Francis Crick and James Watson. And they would secretly go through Rosalind's work, and unfortunately they actually got the Nobel Prize and the credit for discovering the structure of DNA at the time.